Good morning dear students. Today we are going to start our second chapter. The name of the chapter is More on Linux Edubundu. Linux, that is familiar for you. It is an operating system. What is the function of an operating system? It controls and manages functions inside a computer system. So here Linux Edubundu also has the same function. It controls and manages all the activities that is taking place in our computer system. And here in this chapter, first of all we will discuss what is the speciality of this operating system. In third standard we had learned that Linux operating system is the most popular operating system because it is free of cost. Almost all the softwares that are necessary for a child to learn something and all the supporting files that is very useful for a child, that is available in Edubundu. And also Linux Edubundu provides a graphical user interface called Unity. What is meant by this graphical user interface? Graphical user interface means here in this operating system, if you want to do any task, we can find out that particular task as a picture. By clicking on that picture, we can perform any task. That's why we call it as graphical user interface. What is its advantage? Linux based on graphical user interface, so there is no need to remember all the commands. Just by using a mouse, we can do all the functions. That is the advantage of this graphical user interface. I think it's clear. Yes. Now some special features of Linux. In page number 15, we will read like this. The main goal of the educational software. The main goal of Linux, that is like this. Our aim is to put together a system that contains all the best free software available in education and make it easy to install and maintain. What is its meaning? That means in this operating system we can do many tasks and all these tasks are free of cost. That's why this operating system is a popular one in this world. Can you say some examples for applications that are available in Linux? TuxPaint, then gcompress, TuxMap. Okay, now let us discuss desktop of Linux. When we start the computer, we will get a desktop, isn't it? On that desktop, we can see small pictures. What is the name of that pictures? That small pictures are known as icons. By clicking on these small pictures, we can easily move to that particular program. And also, there is a special part that is known as launcher. Launcher we can see at the left side of the screen, and it is a special part of this Linux software. And what is its use? It contains a number of icons that makes as easy to move to that particular program. Have you heard about files and folders? Yes, when we draw a picture in our computer, that is also considered as a file. When we hear a song, that is also considered as a file. So picture file means it contains pictures. Music file means it contains music or songs. So all these are examples for different types of files. Then what is meant by a file? Can you say one definition for file? A file is a collection of data that's stored on a storage device such as hard disk. Then what is folder? Folder is like a bag. In a bag we can keep many things, isn't it? The same way, folder is a space in a computer system. There we can keep different types of files and folders. Types of files and folders. We can keep different types of files and folders. And it helps us to arrange the files in a particular order. For example, if you have some music files, you can keep it in a music folder. If you have some picture files, you can keep it in a picture folder. So that is the function of a folder, to arrange files in a particular order. What is its advantage? If you arrange the file in a particular order, it is very easy to open the file. That is the main advantage of this folders. Yes, students, read your textbook and go through the worksheet. Let us see in the next session. Thank you.